How to watch movies on Discord mobile with friends. And this actual process is very easy to follow, but the very first thing that you want to do is to head straight into Google Play Store or wherever app store you've downloaded Discord. This is to ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app, so you will have this kind of special feature on Discord. Now, next is to pull up your Discord application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. For you to be able to do this, make sure that you already created a specific server and as well as a voice channel. So say, for example, we will be going into this specific voice channel. All you have to do is just to go into join voice. Now, once you've successfully invited friends to go into this specific voice channel, all you have to do is to just simply scroll up so you can access or configure settings. From here, all you have to do is to tap on share your screen and then choose on a single app and hit on start. From here, you can go ahead and choose or share whatever application that you would like to use in watching movies with your friends. And that's basically it. That is how you can go ahead and watch movies on Discord mobile with friends.